the adorable world of baby animals. A journey across species. Welcome to the enchanting world of baby animals. In this journey, we'll explore the lives of some of nature's most endearing young creatures, from the king of the jungle to the tiniest woodland critters. Let's begin with the majestic lion cub. Lion cubs. Lion cubs are born with their eyes closed, relying entirely on their mother for warmth and nourishment. These playful and curious youngsters begin exploring their surroundings. After a few weeks, often tumbling over each other in mock battles. It's through play that they learn the skills needed for survival. Black bear cubs. Born during the hibernation season, black bear cubs are tiny and hairless at birth, weighing less than a pound. They stay close to their mother in the safety of the den, nursing and growing rapidly. By the time spring arrives, they are ready to venture out, climbing trees and foraging for berries. Gorilla infants. Gorilla babies are among the most human-like in their behavior. Born with soft fur and a powerful grip, they cling to their mother's fur as she moves through the dense jungle. These little primates are incredibly curious and often mimic the actions of adults, learning the ways of their troop. Leopard cubs. Leopard cubs are born in dens hidden among rocks or tall grass. Their spotted coats provide excellent camouflage, keeping them safe from predators. These agile and stealthy youngsters hone their hunting skills by pouncing on each other and chasing small prey. Cheetah cubs. Cheetah cubs have a unique mantle of long gray fur that runs along their backs, helping them blend into the tall grasses. These sprinters in the making spend their early days playing and practicing their speed in short bursts, under the watchful eye of their mother. Elephant calves. Elephant calves are born into the loving embrace of a herd. Weighing around 250 pounds at birth, they are remarkably dependent on their mothers and other females in the group. They spend their days learning to use their trunks and staying close to their protective family. Polar bear cubs. Born in snow dens. During the Arctic winter, polar bear cubs are small, blind, and helpless. They nurse on their mother's rich milk, gaining strength to face the harsh environment. When spring comes, they emerge from the den, ready to explore the icy world. Siberian husky puppies. Siberian husky puppies are bundles of energy and curiosity. Known for their thick, fluffy coats and bright eyes, they are playful and mischievous. These pups grow into strong, enduring dogs, but their puppy antics make them irresistible. Green turtle hatchlings. The journey of green turtle hatchlings is one of nature's most perilous adventures. After emerging from their sandy nests, they scramble toward the ocean, facing predators at every step. Only a few survive, but those that do grow into majestic sea turtles. Tiger cubs. Tiger cubs are born blind and rely on their mother for everything. As they grow, they begin exploring their forest home, learning to stalk and pounce. These striped wonders quickly develop into powerful predators. Deer fawns. Deer fawns are the picture of innocence with their spotted coats and delicate frames. They stay hidden in tall grass during their early days, relying on their camouflage to evade predators, while their mothers forage nearby. Zebra foals. Zebra foals are born with brown and white stripes that darken as they age. Within minutes of birth, they can stand and run, a crucial skill in the predator-filled savannas. These agile youngsters stay close to their mothers for protection. Rhino calves are born after a lengthy 16-month pregnancy. Despite their size, these babies are playful and inquisitive, often seen trotting alongside their mothers. They rely on the protection of their mothers to navigate the wild. Fox kits. Fox kits are born in dens and are entirely dependent on their parents. These clever and curious creatures quickly develop their sharp senses, learning to hunt and explore their surroundings with boundless energy. Rabbit kits. Rabbit kits are born blind and hairless, snuggled in a nest lined with their mother's fur. Within weeks, they grow into fluffy, energetic bunnies, hopping around and nibbling on grass. Ducklings. Ducklings are the epitome of cuteness as they follow their mother in a neat line. These water-loving babies learn to swim and forage almost immediately, but they always stay close to their protective parent. Horse foals. Horse foals are born with long legs and an innate ability to stand and walk within hours of birth. These graceful youngsters grow rapidly, learning to gallop and frolic in open fields under the watchful eyes of their herd. Lambs, sheep. Lambs are born in the spring, frolicking in green pastures with their soft, woolly coats. These playful babies form strong bonds with their mothers and other lambs, often seen leaping and running in joy. Monkey infants. Monkey infants are highly social and cling to their mothers for the first few months. Their playful antics and boundless energy make them endearing as they learn the ways of their troop. Squirrels. Squirrel kits are born in tree nests and remain hidden until they grow fur. These nimble climbers soon emerge, practicing their jumping and foraging skills in preparation for life in the trees. Each of these baby animals has its unique charm and story, showcasing the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Their journeys from birth to independence are filled with challenges, joy, and discovery. Thank you for joining us on this delightful adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content.